Good morning everyone, my name is Dr. Trady here, and today I'm going to show you a surprise. In the minutes, in the seconds, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look at this guy here. That's right, this is the all-new MG Whale, and it's a high-tech car ever. I love this car, it's my favorite. And when I get a car key, and it's my favorite car, it's my dad's car, I'm just presenting. And then I press unlock. Look, the tail lights. Look, there's a tail lights all over indicates. Look, there's a tail lights. Look at it, there's an X sign right there. X, and there's an X sign. And there's a flush door flushes. And there's a lights, tail lights again over there. And there's a tail lights. Look, there you go. There's the tail lights, guys. And look, right there. There's another light right there. Under the hood, there's a 2-liter engine, twin turbo, with 231 horsepower and 370 Newton meters of torque. And when I open the door, look at this, guys. Look, there's the tail lights. When I press start, look, there's a magic. You got navigation, you got a touch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got navigation, you got radio, you got air conditioning system, and you got his tail lights right here, one on the front, right there, on the center console. You see? Look, and one other at the back. You see? At the back, right there, guys. Look, guys, and you got a sunroof here. You see this, guys? There's a sunroof right over there. You got a sunroof here. There you go. This is the sunroof. You got this controller here with lights. You got this lights here. See? You got this mirror. Lights. Another mirror right there. So yeah. And when I look at the back, when I go into back, guys, you see comfortable styling, very nice and comfy. Look at these lights here. You got this lights, you got this other tail lights here. You got the ambient lighting. Got this ambient lighting here, front and the back. You got the air conditioning system. Very nice here. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice car. High tech. Very nice, guys. And if you press this, it doesn't work. So when I press this one, look, this trunk opens. This trunk opens. You can make your own beds, you can make your own room, but now we can just keep it like this. What to do? And press this. And you can make it comfy lifestyle. Or outside of the view. Very nice. You see this? Very nice. This looks very nice here. This looks very nice. The brand new 2024 MG Whale Aqua Blue. Very nice. Look at this exhaust diffuser right there, you see? Right. Look at the mirrors. Electronic mirrors. Thank you everyone. I hope this video found helpful. I will see you guys soon. Bye.